Hi guys, I'm Victor, welcome to DIY Time channel. In this video we're going to talk about setting up a wireless backup camera on your car, RV or trailer. Some of the reasons why you may want to do this are: number one, having a backup camera is very helpful and safer if you're not comfortable with backing up your car, RV or trailer, especially in tight or unfamiliar places. Number two, if you want to install a backup camera on your older car that doesn't have it installed from the factory. Number three, having a backup camera on a trailer can be very useful, because as you know, most of the trailers don't have backup cameras. Number four, installing a wireless backup camera is simple and easy because it doesn't require any drilling or running wires to the back of your car or trailer, which would definitely be a hassle. The backup camera that I'm personally using is made by Ottovox. I've got the package with optional secondary camera and solar panel for charging. And if you're interested, you can check out the current price for this kit in the description area below. Here's what's included in the main package: the wireless backup camera with built-in battery and mounting bracket for the license plate, double-sided tape in case you cannot install the camera on your license plate, charging cable for the camera, a 5-inch monitor, suction cup mount for the monitor, 12-volt power adapter, Allen key for anti-theft screw, and user's manual. The secondary camera is identical to the first one, and it also came with the charging cable, double-sided tape, and user's manual. The solar panel package includes the solar panel itself, mounting bracket, a set of screws, and double-sided tape. Installing the camera is very easy. Simply screw it in behind the license plate on the top or on the bottom, and you're done. Install the second camera on another vehicle or trailer in the same manner. If this camera location won't work for you for some reason, you can also attach it somewhere else using included double-sided tape, though I personally prefer the first method. You can adjust the camera up or down within 30 degrees range to get the best viewing angle. This gives you ability to install the camera in many different places, in the back, on the sides, or in the front of the car. The cameras also have anti-theft screws. You can remove the screw and take out just the camera alone if you'd like. To install the solar panel, first attach the mounting bracket using the included screws. Then remove the anti-theft screw on the camera. Slide the solar panel onto the backup camera. And finally, secure it with the anti-theft screw. As you can see, nothing complicated at all. No messy wires. Anyone can do this in less than 5 minutes. Fully charged battery will work for about 2-3 months if you use the backup camera 2-3 times a day. If you got the optional solar panel and your vehicle is parked outside at least sometimes, then you won't have to worry about charging the battery. It will automatically charge itself for you, which is a pretty convenient feature. To hook up the monitor, simply connect the power cable and plug it into the 12-volt power outlet. Then attach the suction cup mount and stick it onto the windshield. Done. The camera will stay connected to the monitor on standby until you need it. You don't have to ever worry about turning it on or off. Once you need to use the backup camera, just press the button on the side of the monitor or on the power adapter, and you'll instantly get the real-time video feed from the camera. The screen and the backup camera will stay on for 60 seconds, which is normally enough time to back up your car, and then they both will turn off automatically to save the battery. If you need more time, simply press the button again, and it will turn on for another 60 seconds. The 5-inch monitor is a pretty good size, I think. It's big enough to watch the video from the camera, yet not too big, and it won't take too much space in the car. The cool thing about this monitor is, unlike the factory built-in backup cameras, you can turn it on at any time, at the traffic light or in the parking lot, for example, and see what's happening behind you. That's pretty neat. On the monitor, you can access the settings menu. Here you can do the following things. If you want to use this system on another car or trailer, you can buy a second camera separately and pair it with the same monitor, and then just switch the camera channels. Adjust the brightness and contrast. Mirror the screen or flip it upside down based on the installation position of your camera. Set the timeout for how long the screen stays on when you're backing up: 45, 60, or 90 seconds. You can turn on or off the backup guiding lines. And finally, you can reset all of these settings to the factory default state. If you press and hold the menu button on the main screen, you can change the size of the guiding lines. You can choose from 6 different sizes to find what works best for your particular installation. The transmission range is about 30 feet, but if that's not enough, you can purchase additional antenna and double the range up to 60 feet. So overall, it's pretty useful, simple, and easy to use device. I like to use it on my kayak trailer when parking it in the garage or backing up to the loading dock. Alright, I'm gonna get on the water and enjoy some fishing with my buddy now. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.